Yes, we all know Hans Zimmer's time. But how to improvise over Hans Zimmer's time to apply your ideas and your emotions? Maybe this kind of improvisation. Okay, in this lesson we will discuss 3 improvisation techniques we just used. First technique, approaching melody tones. Second technique, changing melody tones. Third technique, repeating figures. By the way, my name is Martin and I'm here to help you to learn the language of piano improvisation. So let's go to first technique, approaching melody tones. So, lead into chord tones with different approaches. Here are our melody tones: F, C, E, B. Let's approach our melody tones from a step below. Or from a step above. A very nice dissonance. I like this voicing. So, let's use an approach. First a step below and then a step above. Once again. Before we go to technique 2, I have a gift for you. I summarized my improvisation experiences in a simple guide. I called it 4 Steps to Improvise Stunning Emotional Piano. You will find some important notes there on melodies and how to combine them with other aspects of piano improvisation. You can download this guide for free. It's for you. You will find the link below in the description. It will help you very much to learn the language of piano improvisation. Okay. Technique number 2. Changing melody tones. So, we change our melody tone from F to E, and from C to B, and from E to D, and from B to A, like this. Sounds very nice. Technique number 3. Repeating figures. So, our chords are D minor, A minor, C major, G major. Let's use a figure. chords again. We add our left hand. Sounds very, very nice. And don't forget to download your free guide. This will help you to live the treasure of your musical gift which is in you. Okay, I will see you in the next lesson. Stay tuned.